Stepping into a hot, soapy shower every morning is considered a cornerstone of good hygiene. It's the routine we've relied on for decades to wash away grime, wake up the senses, and feel refreshed. But for adults over the age of 65, this daily habit often works against the body. Doctors are identifying a pattern where routine bathing triggers severe medical emergencies, from sudden blood pressure drops to life-threatening skin infections. Natural aging alters our internal systems, slowing the mechanisms that once protected us from extreme heat and harsh soaps. Under these conditions, a standard shower can become a physical assault on the body's primary defenses. To understand the risk, we are going to trace the timeline of a typical shower. We'll look at the cardiovascular strain that begins the moment you turn the faucet and track the physical toll all the way until you step onto the bath mat. We will also detail a specific medical protocol known as the Golden 3 Minutes Rule, a simple adjustment designed to reduce these hazards and protect the integrity of mature skin. Updating your hygiene habits is a practical strategy to preserve the body's natural energy and defenses, ensuring you can maintain your independence for years to come. Let's start at minute 1. You step into the tub and let the hot water hit your back. Most of us prefer our showers warm, often pushing temperatures past 106 degrees Fahrenheit or 41 degrees Celsius. This diagram reveals how your circulatory system reacts. The intense heat causes the blood vessels resting just beneath your skin to dilate, meaning they expand rapidly. When these pathways widen, the pressure of the blood flowing inside them drops sharply. In a younger person, the autonomic nervous system quickly tightens those vessels back up, but an aging nervous system struggles to send the signal in time. The blood pools in your extremities, causing a dangerous, sudden drop in blood pressure known as orthostatic hypotension. This bar chart puts the physical strain into perspective. Standing perfectly still under hot water adds a 20 to 30% load to your cardiovascular system. Your heart is working exactly as hard as it would if you were out for a light jog. You might feel relaxed, but the data shows that hot water turns a quiet bathroom into a high-stakes cardiovascular stress test for an older heart. Next comes the lather. You grab a bar of standard soap and start scrubbing your arms, legs, and torso. Look at this microscopic cross-section of the skin's outer layer, the epidermis. At age 20, the skin is coated in abundant natural oils called sebum. But by age 65, the body produces only half as much of this crucial protective lipid barrier. Most commercial soaps are highly alkaline. When you combine them with hot water and physical scrubbing, they act like a chemical scraper. They strip away that already thin lipid layer and wash the good bacteria, your skin's microbiome, straight down the drain. Clinical studies reveal the cost of this daily habit. For seniors who lather up with soap every single day, the skin's natural immunity plummets by 35%. Without those oils and bacteria to protect it, the skin begins to form invisible micro-tears. Chasing a squeaky clean feeling often leaves the body defenseless. This process leads to severe dryness, known as xerosis, and creates a direct pathway for serious skin infections. By the time you turn the water off, the cumulative physical toll has peaked. Your blood vessels are dilated, your heart is working overtime, and the physical effort of scrubbing has taxed muscles already affected by sarcopenia, the natural muscle loss associated with age. Because the body is physically taxed, the risk of injury spikes. 38% of all bathroom falls occur during or immediately after the bathing process. Then the water stops, and you step out into the chilly bathroom air. This thermal silhouette shows the final hidden danger of the shower routine. Older adults lose up to 40% of their biological ability to adapt to sudden temperature changes. As the water evaporates off your bare skin, it pulls your core body heat directly out into the cool air. This creates an immediate risk for temperature shock and, in extreme cases, hypothermia. A 15-minute shower results in depleted physical energy, a compromised skin barrier, and acute vulnerability to falls. To protect your body, medical experts recommend shifting to a strategic hygiene routine. First, reduce full-body showers to just 2 or 3 times a week, and keep the water temperature comfortably below 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Second, use a shower chair. Sitting down minimizes the cardiovascular load and significantly reduces that 38% fall risk, turning a physical ordeal back into a safe wash. On the days you don't shower, rely on spot washing. Use a damp cloth to clean only the essential areas, leaving the rest of your skin's oils and microbiome intact. When you do take a shower, follow this specific safety protocol: the golden 3 minutes. The clock starts the second you step out of the water. Before the moisture on your skin can evaporate and steal your body heat, you have 3 minutes to gently pat yourself dry and apply a moisturizer. Using lotions with ceramides or hyaluronic acid locks the water into your epidermis and helps rebuild the skin's protective barrier. Adopting these habits protects your energy, prevents common bathroom accidents, and helps safeguard your health for the long term. Subscribe to our channel for more science-backed strategies to maintain your vitality as you age.